If I lost everything and had to start from scratch tomorrow, these are the exact steps I would follow to get back up to 30 to 50K a month consistently. By the way, this is Chris Rigoris. I've produced more than 8 figures in sales online. And where I would get started as I restart my journey is I would come up with one group of people that I like and I know they will pay to solve their problems. Remember, don't go after brokies. Where you can find those people are on social like Instagram, Facebook groups, or Twitter. Then I would message 5 to 10 of these people daily and offer them a value trade. Use this message. Hey name, can I run something by you? I'm doing some research for a new service that I'm launching for people like you, and I want to offer a value trade. Essentially, I'll give you a full audit. Now, it heavily depends on what you're going to offer, but if you're offering, for example, sales consulting, you can write, I'll give you a full marketing and sales audit. I'll look at how you're generating customers, who you're selling to, and give you strategies. In exchange, I'd love to get on a 20-minute call with you. This is not a sales call. I would just love to take a look at how you're doing things with your business and your goals so I can create a service that can help people like you. Are you against having a conversation around that? Then you're gonna book 5 to 10 of these interviews and you're going to ask them these questions on that call. Where would you like to be in 12 months? Where are you at today? What do you feel is missing right now when it comes to bridging that gap on your own? If you were to hire help to help you fix this, how would that relationship look like? What would you need to see out of someone to make it a no-brainer for you to work together? Then you would go back and you would craft a done-for-you offer addressing those pain points that fits their criteria. And within 2 to 3 days, you will message them back announcing that you're releasing your opening spots for this service. You should be able to get at least 1 to 3 new clients just out of those interviews. Meanwhile, create your social channels, things like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even LinkedIn. And I want you to document the journey step by step. You doing the work. You want to build your audience and your authority. As you're doing the work, this will shortcut your path. Then you would work your buttocks off to produce 5 case studies by repeating this process. Once you deliver results, you will also ask for referrals, giving you the opportunity to turn every client into 3, even 5. Now that you have case studies, and you started getting referrals, you can start using your social channels to message people. So new friends, new connections, even cold outreach. I would message 5 to 100 new connections every single day so you can build a sales pipeline, not for you just to close sales today, but you can close in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. This should get you by itself to 10 to 15K, and then what you can do is create a done with you offer that will be a downsell. So you will use all the playbooks you've created as you're going through your done for you offer, and you're gonna create a done with you offer that's more affordable that you can offer to people who can't afford your done for you service. And then I will continue to post, build case studies, and keep building your brand. Now, this takes work. It takes rolling up your sleeves and putting in the rest. But if you follow this step-by-step process, success is inevitable. How do I know? Because it's exactly how I got to where I am today. Now, if you want the step-by-step process in a document, make sure to comment down below and I'll send it over exactly what I took you through during this video. And if you've enjoyed, make sure to hit subscribe and I'll see you on the other side.